Good morning. I love this time of year. Every morning I get up, have a few sips of iced coffee, and out to the garden I go with my biggest bowl, and I see what's good to harvest to bring in for that day's lunch and dinner meals. And then any extra I just go ahead and put right in the freezer then. So this morning, let me show you what I've been harvesting. Snow peas. I've actually been harvesting these for about a week, and every other day I have to go out and grab them, and there's usually quite a lot of them. Some of those have already been snapped and washed and are in the fridge for lunch, for salad, and the rest I'm going to do chicken and pea pods for supper for my husband and I. With the ones I've already snapped that are over here, and a few more I have left in the fridge from the day before yesterday's picking. So I'll end up putting 2 servings in the freezer. Kind of funny, but I want you to meet my sidekick here. One of my sidekicks. We have 2 dogs. This is Tank, our bull mastiff, and Tank is an absolute nut when it comes to produce from the garden, and he loves pea pods. If I go in the garden for any reason, even if I'm just going down there to get a tool, he will sit at the garden gate and wait for me to give him a snack. Oh, and look, here comes our other sidekick. We have a little Chihuahua, Chili. His name's Chili Dog. He's a good boy too. My guess is everyone considers success differently. For me in the garden, if I can produce safe, healthy, delicious, seasonal food for my family and preserve the rest for the winter months when the garden isn't growing, that is definitely a measure of success. The Handmade Homestead can be found on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, and we look forward to seeing you there. Remember to like and subscribe. It helps so much, and we appreciate your time.